is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series, but with a little bit of a twist today, guys. One of you guys reached out to me and said they were going to paint their car a gold pearl over top of a black and a white, and they were interested if I was interested in spraying it out for them and seeing what it was. I'm like, sure, you want to send out the pigment, I'll do it for you, I don't mind. So here we are today. He sent me Pearl Effects Aztec Gold, and he wants to see it over black and over Rustoleum Gloss White. So we're going to two-tone this fender behind me today. He wanted to see it light first, so I'm going to do kind of a light coat and then show you guys what that looks like. And then he wanted to see it full-blown heavy because it is for a base car for competition, I'm guessing. So it's going to be a fun spray out today, guys. I'm excited to see what this Aztec Gold has to offer from Pearl EX. I've always seen the brand out there, but never used it before. So we're going to find out together. So let's get the two-tone in the fender behind me, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our Rustoleum two-tone going on our fender right there, and I got this Pearl EX Aztec Gold. I am using my Speedo Coat Clear today. This is urethane based. It mixes 4-to-1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. It's about 75 degrees out, so not too bad. Since it mixes 4-to-1, I actually ended up putting 4 ounces of clear in, 1 ounce of hardener, easy enough, right? Or activator. And yeah, let's look at this Pearl EX Pearl. Now, like I said, he wanted to see it light and then he wanted to see it heavy. So my pigment load is going to be a little bit light today. So I'm going to do about 1/4 teaspoon into the mix. And, pretty cool. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so Aztec Gold, that's what we got. Man, this kind of looks like a orangey yellow gold. But here it is in the mix right here. And let's get to stirring. Looks a lot like a honey color, kind of like some eye candy and stuff. Looks very similar. This does have a little bit more of a orangey tint, maybe more like a butterscotch color. Pretty cool. Pretty smooth looking pearl, not too bad. Look at that. That's cool. I love golds in the mix. But anyways, enough yapping. Let's load up our V4 gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my V4 gun loaded up with this Aztec Gold Pearl. It is a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI, wide open trigger. If you decide you want to replicate the settings. We're going to do a dust coat on this first, and then I'm going to bring the camera in once it settles so you can see it. Because like I said, he did want to see just kind of a light effect first, and then build gradually. So probably do 2 more coats after that, and then we'll get it to where it's complete full coverage, straight up base car approved, I'm sure. And then we'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so this is after a dust coat of the pearl. As you can see the pearl when the light hits it, and then it kind of goes away. I know it's a little like tacky-ish, it's not super solid. That's because, you know, this is just a dust coat, it doesn't have any clear over top of it. And as far as the white goes, well, yeah, gold over white is a very hard one to pick up on camera, and you don't see much of anything right now. So, but over the black, very cool. Imagine that will clear over it. So, all right, let's set you guys back up and let's do coat number 2. Alright guys, so this is after coat number 2. Now as you can see, I still kind of went lighter on the coat. Over the black it's looking very cool, and over the white you get it at angles, but it's one of those things guys, with the white and the gold, it is a solid pearl, so it does kind of make the color look a little dirty as the time goes on with it. So I would definitely probably recommend it more so over the black, but this is where we're at right now. Let's finish it up and let's see the end result. And this right here is what happens when you put way too much gold on a fender. Yep, that is solid gold pearl over top of white. And there's the other side. Yep. Alright guys, so this is a spray out for today. Aztec gold over gloss black and gloss white. Now I'm going to go ahead and say it. You probably saw it in some of the footage. I had a reaction over white. For the subscriber that wanted me to spray this out, I'm going to go ahead and kind of say it. Over the gloss white, you can do light coats of the gold, but the problem with doing a solid pearl of any kind over top of a bright color like gloss white or yellow or anything like that, you get what they call a salt and pepper effect, to where you actually see the graininess in the pearl showing through over top of the lighter color, and it starts to make the color look dirty. Over gloss black, it did great. It looks very, very cool. And over the white, I would highly recommend, if you wanted to go with a gold, go with the interference gold. That'll be a white particle based opposed to a solid pearl. And over the brighter colors, you won't actually see the pigment. You'll just see it when the light hits it, and it'll give it that really cool sheen, but you won't see the graininess and all the texture and just the microns of the actual pearl over top of it. Nonetheless, I thought it was a good spray out today. Some always turn out better than others. It just is what it is, and we're going to keep rolling either way. If you like this subscriber spray out today, then leave me a like and comment, hit that subscribe button, and pretty soon I'll be taking other people's stuff if they want to see spray outs as well. Getting that set up now. But regardless, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.